Farmers, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears.
I just want to update you on the work that we're doing about dementia. I made a film with my mum and dad, introducing them, Clive and Pauline Jenkins. They're both living with Alzheimer's disease.
These are the guys.
In the film we made with the Assistive Technologies Innovation Centre from University of Wales, we conducted an experiment just to see how some retinal screening technology could help us have some sort of insight into how my mum and dad see the world.
I'm tickled by all this gear.
Could you have a look at the spot again for me?
Right.
Perfect.
Attic's retinal tracking kit opened our eyes and revealed all sorts of things to us, such as how checked shirts made dressing even more difficult than usual for Dad.
What are you seeing?
Lots of squares.
We observed that clutter made once familiar tasks harder.
Where the hell is the other one?
That decluttering doesn't solve everything.
Dad?
Yeah?
Where have you just poured the water?
And from the response from Dad and the many people who watched this first experiment, we really appreciated the value of seeing dementia through the eyes of those living with it.
Cheers.
What I wanted to do was use it to make a series of films that would help people learn best how to support people like my parents to live well.
And that's what we've done. We've created 10 films from footage collected over a year, supported by Accelerate, Attic, and funding from Gwm Taf Morgannwg University Health Board, and with the consent of my parents.
I'm more than happy to let films such as this go out, showing the daft things I've done in my life, and will go on doing even yet more daft things, no doubt. Nothing's 100% in this world, and if, like me, you've got a memory which just dissolves and floats away and leaves me thinking, what the hell do I do now? Think of me and say, well, somebody else is a bit of a crank, so maybe I can get by on it.
Where are you, Clive?
I'm in upstairs in the loo.
Do you need the loo?
No.
We've got a great team of experts helping us to interpret what we see.
People who are living with dementia struggle between moving between tasks. So let's say he's gone to the loo, he's picked up a toilet brush and thought, that's the washing up brush, that's what I need. The two objects look very, very similar. They've both got a brush on the end, they've both got a long plastic handle, and sometimes we need to step back and just say, right, hold on a sec, is this a moment that is dangerous?
Kimberly, you're the bitch of the third degree. How dare you speak to me like that?
Dad, don't worry.
If you meet one person with dementia, all you can say is that you've met one person with dementia. Not everyone will have the same journey.
People use the term challenging behaviour, but I don't like that word.
What we try to do is use events as springboards for discussing general topics, like eating and drinking, or sundowning.
There are no children to collect.
5 o'clock comes, kids normally are coming in from school, people are coming in from work, you're busy. That early evening into the night, people become very unsettled.
We're trying to better understand what drives the behaviours we see.
It's because their vision and attention isn't working. It might be nothing to do with the fact that their memory isn't working.
Where's my stuff? Please. I haven't got anything.
Closing the curtains and opening them, I've seen people say have made a big difference, and then people say, oh yeah, that's where I am.
The purpose is to help us learn more about how to support people like my parents sensitively and with greater understanding of how they see the world.
Are you blessing me, Dad? What's all that about?
It's a blesser.
Never forget, you could be in those shoes one day.
These films were made with love.
Hug me. Give me the biggest hug you can in the world. Squeeze!
and with huge respect for my parents who were prepared to document this phase of their lives.
Shall I talk through what we're doing?
Yeah, you go ahead.
And I'll give you some of the
The floor is yours.
As well as the carers and my children, who also agreed to share their experiences. The films have been evaluated by a wide group of people living and working with dementia. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop us a line. I leave you with my fabulous mum.
So is this your dream come true, your legacy, is to be filmed in the last stages of your life?
Yes, of course.
This is your tribute?
Of course.
This is your swan song?
Oh, it's absolutely wonderful.
Can you play the part of somebody living with dementia?
I am living with dementia.